Hi there, beautiful. I'm 5'2". Looking good in pants and trousers have always been hard, and these are some of the most common mistakes I used to make, and so many women are still making them. I'm going to show you the simple tricks to fix them and instantly look more stylish. If you're petite, click the link below to download my free ebook, The Pants and Trouser Tips for Petite Women. I'm going to start with this outfit, straight leg pants. This is the most typical work career trousers. When a lot of us think about dressing casually for work, this is probably what you typically would do. You pair straight leg pants with faded jacket. In this case, I'm wearing a faded cardigan blazer. These kind of outfits are particularly popular among petite women. I'm 5'2", and I used to dress like this all the time. Because if you're short, it's very tempting to think the easiest way to pull off an outfit is to wear a fitted top with a fitted bottom like this. But the thing is, this combo can very easily age you and also make you look dated. The neckline also looks too busy because we got a button-down shirt on top of the sweater blazer. Now the trousers, it's about 2 inches underneath my ankles. With this length, it's very tempting to want to just slip on flat shoes like loafers in this case. But this is not the best combination if my goal is to elongate my legs. So my step 1 is to change this jacket to a slightly oversized sweater top. Now here's a tip for you. If you're petite like myself, you don't need to go for the oversized pieces. You just need to size up on your regular size. In this case, I'm wearing a size medium for the sweater top, even though my typical size is an extra small. This fixed 2 things. First of all, the button-down shirt looks better when it's paired with a V-neck top. Now the neckline looks cleaner. But what's more important is what it does to the silhouette. Because I switched to a slightly more oversized piece, now my entire outfit looks more updated. Next, I'm going to show you a very useful layering hack. So you want to roll up your sweater sleeves, but you roll towards inside. And this is going to shorten your sweater sleeves so that you can show the sleeves of your white button-down shirt. Not too high, not too low. You just want 1 to 2 inches of a button-down shirt showing. And then you're going to untuck your button-down shirt. Wait, hang on a second, Chi. I thought you always told us to tuck in all the time. Well, you're going to see what I mean in just a second. And once you untuck it, you're going to see the hemline of your button-down shirt now showing underneath your sweater. And you can use clothing pin on your sweater to make sure it stays in place. So this simple trick of showing your button-down shirt underneath makes a very plain layering outfit look way more stylish. The last step, which is very important, you want to switch your shoes. Even though this length of the pants do not require heels, because it's not too long, it can't go by with flat shoes, but you do want to wear a little bit of heels because that's going to make a plain, simple, basic outfit just looks more elevated. So I'm going to switch to my 1.5 inch kitten heels. So now take a look. This is before and this is after. Now this outfit is how most of us will wear it in the warm weather. You have a button-down shirt and you pair it with white pants. First of all, let's take a look at these trousers. This is my recent purchase from Aritzia. Fits me really well. The length is not too long, not too short. The leg shape is wider than most of my other straight leg pants, but it's not as wide as wide leg pants. And the fabrics are very flowy, and that is exactly what I want to talk to you about. When your pants or trousers are lightweight and flowy, then your top also needs to be lightweight and flowy. Even though this button-down shirt is made of satin, that doesn't make it look lightweight. But because it's black and also it's fully covering my upper body because it's long sleeves, that's what makes it look heavy. Now let's look at the shoes. When your pants or trousers are this length right underneath your ankles, it's so tempting to just want to slip on a pair of flat shoes. But because this pair has wider leg shape, if it's ending right at your ankle length and you're pairing it with flats like this, it does not automatically elongate your legs. The first thing I'm going to do is to switch to a halter neck top. Now this top and the previous top both are made of satin, both are black. Why does this make such a huge difference? Now here's my secret. Whenever you are wearing a top that's showing a lot of your skin, even though I'm just showing my arms, nothing is revealing, that is creating a lot of space in your upper body, and therefore that balance out all that lightweight fabrics and that flowy pants you're wearing. Now for the shoes, I'm switching to this pair heeled sandals. Other than that, these have heels. Another big difference compared with the previous pair of shoes is that these are open toe. Now Chi, why does that matter? It matters because remember how we talked about whenever your pants, your outfit is lightweight, you want your bottom, including your shoes, to also look lightweight. And that's exactly what these open-toe sandals do. Accessories. Never forget about this step. First, a belt. This is a must. Whenever you have a top tucked in, you need to wear a belt. Not only these hides or the fabrics that you stick under, but also it emphasizes your waist and make the whole outfit just looks more polished. Caramel belt is a good choice when you are wearing a black and white outfit. It goes with the color scheme but also adds dimension. So for my bag, I'm going with the same color scheme. It's a different shade, a taupe bag. So here you have it. This is a completed look. Compared with the original outfit, this looks way more balanced, stylish, and it makes me look taller. This outfit is what I would consider stylish 5 years ago because this is following all the petite rules. The sweater jacket is fitted. I'm wearing a narrow leg ankle length pants and paired with pointed toe high heels. So all the boxes are checked. Everything is very fitted, but that's exactly why I would not dress like this again today. First thing I'm gonna do is just switch the jacket to a shorter and relaxed fit trench coat. Just by doing this, you're gonna see the outfit already looks way better. Because whenever you are wearing a very fitted ankle length narrow leg pants, you don't want your top half to also look too slender. That lacks balance. The next step may surprise you. I'm actually switching these pointed toe heels to these pair of flats. So this is the opposite of what I've done for the previous two outfits. Even though in general pointed toe heels are some of the most flattering kind of shoes for petite women because they elongate your legs. But in this case, when I pair it with narrow fitted ankle length dress pants, they just don't look right. They make the entire bottom half look they don't have enough volume. Switching to the flats give the outfit a more relaxed vibe, which goes perfectly with the relaxed fit oversized short trench coat. The next step, your belt. Never forget about this. So when you're wearing black pants, I like to go with black belt. The golden buckle is what makes the difference because you can notice the golden buckle and therefore that indicates your waistline and that just makes the whole outfit look more complete. Through these 3 examples, now you see how small tweaks in your outfit can make such a huge difference. This video is all about pants and trousers, but leave me a comment below and let me know what other types of clothes and outfits that you want me to do a similar video about. Remember to subscribe to my newsletter to receive my free styling tips every week. And I will see you in the next video.